How long do the batteries last in the wireless Blink outdoor camera? These batteries were last replaced around about the 19th of August, and we're at the 20th of November, so about 3 months. Important to note that this camera here is on our back deck, and this is where the dogs come out most often, and this one gets triggered all the time. It's not just one time for the dogs going out, one time for the dogs coming back in. They trigger this multiple times when they run up on the deck, chasing each other, coming back in. So this camera here gets triggered a lot. So replacing the batteries every 3 months doesn't seem that bad, actually, considering how often they do get triggered. Our camera by the driveway lasts about double the time because it only gets triggered about half the time that this one does, or even less. This camera gets triggered around 40 times per day, so having the batteries last 3 months I think is really good. Now if you have an area where you may have this triggered more often, then the battery's going to last less. If you have an area where the camera's going to be triggered less often, then the battery's going to last a lot longer.